How to fix Discord stuck at gray screen on Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The corrupted cache files are some of the main reasons for Discord gray screen, since they interfere with the app loading process. Clearing them out ensures that Discord starts without any conflicts. Press Ctrl+ Shift+ ESC on your keyboard. Click More Details if necessary. Locate Discord under Apps section. Right-click the app and select End Task. If that didn't work, running Discord as an administrator resolves issues related to lack of permissions to access certain resources. If that didn't work, missing Windows updates can result in compatibility issues with applications, including Discord. If that didn't work, network misconfigurations can prevent Discord from loading properly. Resetting these settings can resolve connectivity-related issues. Click Reset now. Confirm the action and then restart your system. If that didn't work, reinstalling Discord ensures a clean installation, removing corrupted files or configurations that might cause the gray screen issue. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.